Okay, so here we have a blank coding screen, and how I got here was just by going to File. I picked Open Sample Program, and I found the PLTW folder, and I found the one called PLTW Template. So here I am. I'll type in my project title. This is called the Basic Coding Lab. Type in team members. For now it's just going to be me. Today's date, I'll put down February 21st. And then for section, we are in quarter number 3. Your task description, that's kind of a rough draft to the overall assignment. And I'm just going to write that we want to kind of just begin to learn how to program with Robot C. Okay. Why it's all green is because this little / asterisk says this is all like a narrative, just notes, don't read it. And the other bottom here is the asterisk / that means end. This begins my note section, ends it. Done. Task main, this is our keyword that tells the computer to begin reading the program from here. This bracket is like the very beginning of the program, and the other bracket's the end of the program. So it begins with an open bracket, ends with a closed bracket. Our pseudocode, here I want to have a start motor, return. I want to have a wait, and then I want to have a stop motor. So again, all we're going to do for this first lab is turn the motor on, let it run for a little bit, turn the motor off. So I'll start the motor, wait, stop the motor. Okay, pseudocode. Alright, to get the right language going here, I have to go to Robot, pick Platform Type, and make sure the one called Natural Language is checked. If it is, great. If not, check it. Then under my controls over here, I'm going to go to Open Up Natural Language, and I'm going to open up one called Movement. I'm going to click on Start Motor, drag, 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 and drop it. I need a wait time. So go to the wait command, open up wait, drag it, drop it below it. I want to stop motor, drag it, drop it. So here I'm starting the motor, letting it wait, stopping the motor. Again, is my open bracket. I go below it by one line, do my coding. I could take these away to have it a little bit more of a condensed pattern. We got it. At the end of my line here, this semicolon, that kind of tells the computer to take a return button or a period in a sentence. It's kind of just separates the code lines. So this is the end of one code line, end of that code line, end of that code line. So I have this done, that's done, this is done. I gotta start naming my motors and other stuff up under Motors and Sensor Setup. I'm going to go to the Motors tab, and I'm going to call my motor 1. Again, don't use capitals, don't use numbers, just use letters and words. Our motor type is a VEX 393 motor. I must apply that, and I'm going to OK it. Right now we have no sensors to set up, just in motors. That's it. Then OK it. Up here it said it found it. I've configured a motor in port number 1. It's called 1. It's a VEX 393 motor. Okay. So for motor port, I'm going to go motor's name. My motor is called 1. And I want my motor speed to be 100. My wait time, I'm going to go 5 seconds. And then stop motor, I'm going to go motor is called 1. So I turn the motor on at this speed, runs for 5 seconds, motor shuts off. I'm going to go up here to compile program to check for any errors. And I have no errors. If there's a red X, that'd be an error. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So if I had an error, it would say right there, "Oh, warning." Then down below here, just off camera, maybe you can't quite see it. Here's going to give you my errors. If I can scroll up a little bit. No, I think I just ruined it. Let's make that bigger if you can. There it goes. It just says that line 23, there it is, it's missing the semicolon. Oh, okay. See, I took that thing off. I knew it was gone. Got it. Now recompile my program. I'm error free. I'm going to save this and be ready to get it to download to my my robot soon. Let's go save as. I'm going to call mine Basic Coding Lab and save. And I'm done.